It's sherbet the sheep.
The atmosphere was just incredible.
For the thousands of Welsh fans descending on St Gallen for the first time, fret not, because it looks like we brought our trademark Welsh weather with us, so at least you'll feel at home. But regardless of the weather, match day 2 is just around the corner, and this red floor will soon be graced by the red wall. So join me as I delve into the heart of the city to discover how Cymru's loyal followers are getting ready for our next Euro 2025 match versus France. Now I see you've just arrived here in St Gallen. Can you tell us where you've come from?
From London today via Wales and directly from Michigan then. In the US, yes. We follow the women's team. Also in the US, we watch the NWSL, so we watch Fishlock, Woodruff, all of them. So just having the ability to come and watch Wales and the girls, it was just a no-brainer, honestly.
And what did you think of the first game, the occasion that it was?
This history, right there is history. Just to see them and the national anthem being played and sung like that, it's just chilling.
So I'm here now in St Gallen with Sean. And Sean, you've been working here at the tournament. Wales have played their first ever game at Euro 2025. How did you find the occasion?
It was amazing to see 4,000 people come to Luzerne and outnumber Dutch fans as well. You know, it's rare that Netherlands get outnumbered in anything, but to see so many people, so much red, so many bucket hats. I mean, I don't think the result matters in a way. I mean, wish it did, but we can't always get perfection. But it was a day we'll always remember. I was speaking to Penny Miles a couple of days ago, and she remembers when there were 4 of them who turned up in the Faroe Islands just 6 years ago. So to see thousands and thousands, all the stories about people travelling various different ways to get here, it's just special.
So here in St Gallen, we're never too far from any Welsh fans. The red wall is definitely coming out in force once again. Can you tell us about your travel plans? Have you been here in Lucerne as well and travelled to St Gallen?
We travelled out to Lucerne, had 4 days in Lucerne, and then travelled down here, and we're here now for the remainder of the Welsh games, and hopefully go further.
And I know you've all only just met each other as well, so everyone's here mixing, which is fantastic. Can you tell us how you found the last match, because it was such an incredible occasion, wasn't it?
Yeah, it was. It was just so emotional. Like the first game in the Euros for the women, it was absolutely fantastic. And even though we lost 3-0, the atmosphere was just incredible. The singing, like 5 minutes to go, 3-0 down. Yeah, it was fantastic.
So Lucy, ble ydych chi wedi teithio i fod ma yn Swister?
Ni teithio o Caerphilly I dod fan hyn, a ni methu aros I gwylio'r gemau. Yeah.
And you've been in Lucerne, haven't you, already for the first game? How was that experience?
Oh, it was incredible. It was just, we've never been away for a game before. It was just a different experience. It was just, from start to finish, it was just amazing. When the atmosphere and just everybody, everyone was talking to everyone. It was amazing, really good.
This is amazing. He's even got his own little shirt. Can you tell us the history of the sheep?
Well, I bought him in '99 as a kind of a joke between me and my brother. I took him to the first game and he stuck ever since. And when we were going out to Qatar for the World Cup, I made the shirt, I bought a baby grow and altered it to fit him so he could carry on with the Welsh tradition.
That's amazing. Can you tell us how long have you had him for? How long has he been travelling to?
So home games since '99 and away games since 2006. So where we've been, he's been. And he's our major bag for when we come away. He's the first one packed.
Amazing. I think that's absolutely fantastic. Yeah, oh, has he got a name?
It's Sherbet the sheep.
Sherbet the sheep, that's brilliant. And now we're here in St Gallen. How have you found the place?
It's nice. It's very different to Lucerne, very medieval, but really nice buildings, really nice atmosphere. A lot of flags, a lot of Welsh flags in and around the city. So yeah, it's definitely there's a tournament on, and you know that Wales are playing here, which is the most important thing.
How much does it mean for you guys to see Wales finally at the Euros?
It's just so my family, we're all big football supporters, and it just to see this happening. We didn't go to the Euros 2016 for the men's team for whatever reason, but this, just to see this, it's incredible.
Match day 2 tomorrow. How do you think everything's going to go? We've got France. Hard game again?
Yeah, I think if France had maybe bottled it against England a little bit, it would have given me more confidence. But they are a very, very good team. But we've played them recently and got unlucky twice, so maybe carry on a bit from that form a couple of years ago into that, and we'll see what happens.
Diolch yn fawr, Sean, and enjoy your time here in St Gallen.
Diolch yn fawr iawn.
I'm really thrilled. I'm excited to see Fishlock, and we met her family actually maybe a year ago, and just really excited to see the team in action.
We met her family in San Diego, one of the NWSL games, and her dad was so chatty. He was lovely. He just embraced us when he knew we were Welsh, and just a typical Welsh guy, just sitting at the bar type of chat. So lovely to see them.
So sut mae fe i ti I weld y tîm menywod wedi bod ma am y tro cyntaf yn yr Euros?
Mae'n gwych I gweld nhw'n chwarae. Mae'n inspirational iawn. Yeah.
A ni yna nawr yn St Gallen. Ti'n edrych ymlaen at y gêm nesaf nawr yn erbyn Ffrainc?
Ie, ni methu aros. Gobeithio byddwn ni'n ennill.
And what about yourself? You're here now in St Gallen. For the first time, Wales will be playing France at the Euros. How are you looking forward to that one?
I'm looking forward to it. A bit nervous after the other night, but I'm sure the girls will pull it out of the bag and do us proud.
We've already played our first game here at Euro 2025. Next one tomorrow against France. How are we feeling about it?
I think it'll be a tough game, but I think the nerves may have been and the occasion for the first game, put that behind them. And, we played France twice before. We run them close. There's no reason we can't do it again.
Yeah, I was going to say the same thing. Last time we played France, it was 2-1. It was a close game. And there's no reason why the girls can't do the same again. Just got to stick at it, just try their best.
With the weather picking up once again, the Red Wall will have to find some cover as we approach the game against France. But make sure you bring the noise as we witness our girls in the Euros once again.
Come on, Cymru!